The truth about self-tanners no one tells women over 30. You've been lied to. Most self-tanners claim they'll give you a flawless glow. But for women over 30, they dry out your skin, highlight your imperfections, and leave you looking patchy in just 24 hours. But one formula is changing everything, and it's called Totally Bangin. If you've ever tried to tan dry elbows, or saw streaks down your legs the second day, or noticed your knees turning orange, you're not alone. That happens because typical self-tanners are made with alcohol, fragrance, and cheap DHA that mature skin simply can't handle. Women over 30 deserve better, way better. Totally Bangin isn't just another tanning mousse. It's the first anti-aging self-tanner designed specifically for women over 30. And the best part? It doesn't just tan your skin. It hydrates, smooths, and rejuvenates it. This formula replaces toxic chemicals with pure botanicals, sunflower seed oil for deep hydration, beetroot extract plus erythrulose for a natural bronze, cranberry plus rosehip antioxidants to reduce wrinkles, cocoa butter to soften dry areas, cucumber plus vitamin E to soothe and brighten. The result? A smooth, Mediterranean glow that blends perfectly, no streaks, no orange, no dryness. And unlike other tanners, this glow lasts up to 11 days. Women over 30 are calling it their confidence in a bottle. It blurs cellulite, spider veins, stretch marks, and uneven tone instantly. It gives you that just got back from vacation skin, without the sun damage, without the hassle, without the makeup. Just exfoliate. Apply a few pumps in circular motions, and let it develop. Soft, smooth, even, bronzed. Every single time. If you're tired of tans that make your skin look older, if you want a glow that actually improves your skin, then Totally Bangin is the upgrade you've been waiting for. Get yours today. Glow like the most confident version of you.